Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss in Rainbow Six Siege. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to know where our Rainbow Six Siege files is located. So first, depending of course on what client you're using, for me, I need to go to Steam library, then right click on the Rainbow Six Siege, go to properties, and then I need to go to installed files and browse. And then basically I need to look where my game files is located. So as you can see here, it's on disk C, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Rainbow Six Siege. So once I know where my files is located, then I need to go on search and then just write virus and threat protection, and then press on that. And then you will get this window here, and then under the virus and threat protection settings, I need to press manage settings here. Then I need to scroll down until I see exclusions, and I just need to press on add or remove exclusion, right? And then you'll get this window here, and then you just need to press on add an exclusion, then select folder type, and then you just need to go where your files is located. So for me, local disk C, program files x86, and then Steam, Steam apps, common, and then you will see your game folder here. So you need to select the folder here, and your folder should appear here. And once you do that, then you need to close this window here. Then on search, you just need to write Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to press allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on one of the tasks here and then press R, and Rainbow Six Siege should appear here. And if you don't see Rainbow Six Siege on allowed apps or features, so you need to add it manually, and to do so you just need to press change settings, allow another app. You'll get this window here, then you need to press browse, and then basically the same path, local disk C, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Then you need to go to Rainbow Six Siege folder here, and then you just need to basically add exe file, and then press add. So I already got it, so I don't need to do that. But if you don't, you need to add basically exe file manually. And once you do that, then you just need to go to Steam library, right click on the game, basically properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. Restart your computer and your packet loss should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.